How to fix Pubg mic and speaker not working. So if you want to fix the Pubg mic and speaker not working on your iPhone or Android, then here are some fixes. The first thing you need to do is check and replace your headphones. So if you're using your headphones, then make sure that you've checked and replaced your headphones. The typical reason behind this mic glitch in Pubg Mobile is due to the damaged headphones or earphones. In this case, cable damage or internal damage might also cause the issue of your mic not working while playing. So if you encounter this problem, then just simply go and check and replace them. And if it's not the problem, then the second thing you need to do is once you open your Pubg, you just need to simply go to the microphone option, which is on the upper right, and make sure to turn it on. So if you toggle off that option, then your mic will be turned off and you will not have any sound. When the mic is not functioning properly, it does not always mean that it has an issue. Sometimes the player mistakenly turns off the mic option from the game settings. This prohibits the device from recording your voice, causing in-game communication issues. So simply go and turn on the mic on your game and your problem might be fixed. And the third thing you need to do is you need to permit the Pubg Mobile to record the audio. So if you get this kind of interface once you've installed or once you open up your Pubg, if you get this allow Pubg Mobile to record your audio option, then you just need to simply go and allow that option. If you tap on deny, then your mic or your audio will not work. So you just need to simply go with allow option, and once you've allowed, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing you need to do is restart your game or reboot your game. Once you've rebooted, then your problem will be fixed. So these were the fixes on how you can fix your mic and speaker not working on your iPhone or your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.